So this part happens to be easy. So that's the good news. When we do our declaration for a string, we should give it some type of default value because, hey, it's going to be filled in later on. Otherwise, we got the garbage thing again. So you're going to see me start off most of the time here with some type of declaration. We use string first name equals, and that's a double set of quotes, and then last name. By the way, I can't use null for strings or null PTR, so I'll go over that actually here in a moment. But anyway, so that's how we establish our values. We could just use cin to grab those two values. Now cin will work with one string at a time. So if I put in Mr. Lupoli or Professor Lupoli or whatever, it's going to consider as two strings because that's what cin is doing. And notice the cout works the same as we're used to with normal variables. So that's the good news, is that it's really no different than what you've used in other variables. Same thing for cout, and here I just set the actual value to a specific name. But there is one catch here. What if you actually wanted to really accept a string that had spaces in between as well? Cin by itself will not handle that. So we have to change it up where we will get an entire line using the stream cin, and then we're going to place it into whole name, where I can go ahead and type in an entire sentence and throw it into our whole name, just like we have here for hello world. Why would that be a whole name? I don't know. But anyway. And then I do have the cin.ignore at the end here. This actually closes and clears up the stream as well. So it's really important if we use some type of get line that we have the cin.ignore in there as well. So again, grabbing from the user, if we just wanted one string at a time, cin is just fine. If we want to display it, cout is just fine. No matter if it's a one string or a massive string, we can use that for a whole name as well. And then if we wanted to gather an entire line with strings, yeah, the function's a little bit different, but not too crazy.